Imagine a place so dark you can't see the nose on your face. Eyes open or closed, it's all the same, because the sun never shines there. Up ahead you see a light. When you creep in to investigate, a blue light flicks around you. I could watch this forever, you think, but you can't, because the mouth of an anglerfish opens and tries to eat you. You were just one of the many creatures at the bottom of the ocean who learnt too late to appreciate the powers of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence refers to the ability of some living things to produce light. The human body is able to make things like earwax and toenails, but these organisms are able to make certain parts of their body glow. In one way or another, bioluminescence improves an organism's chance of survival. Take the firefly as an example. Its ability to glow green helps it attract a mate on a warm summer's night. However, it is just one of many living things that are able to glow. For example, the railroad worm, which can light up its body in two different colours, red and green. Would you eat something that looked like a busy runway? Neither would any sensible predator. The flashing lights keep the worm safe. Then there's the deep sea shrimp. When it feels threatened, it spews a cloud of glowing goo on its predator. The predator will then run the other way after being puked on. Plus, the puke attracts other bigger predators who want to eat the shrimp's enemy. So what if you can't bioluminesce? Don't worry, there's some organisms that are able to make bioluminescence work for them, even if they weren't born with the equipment to glow. Let's revisit the anglerfish, moments before it tried to eat you. That glowing bait on top of its head comes from a glowing sac on top of its head called the esker. The esker holds bioluminescent bacteria. The anglerfish is unable to glow there by itself, so holds a sac of glowing bacteria. The firefly is able to make itself glow. Inside its lantern are two chemicals, luciferin and luciferase. Inside the firefly, when the two chemicals mix, along with oxygen and ATP, the chemical reaction gives off energy in the form of light. Once scientists found out how the firefly creates its luciferase and luciferin, they used genetic engineering to make this light-producing reaction occur inside other organisms that couldn't glow. For example, they inserted the gene that creates luciferase and luciferin into a tobacco plant. Once there, the tobacco plant followed its instructions inserted into the DNA to glow. The brilliance of bioluminescence is that unlike other light sources, it does not heat up when it glows. It takes place at a range of temperatures which don't burn a living thing. And unlike a glow stick, which burns out as the chemicals get used up, bioluminescent reactions use replenishable resources, which is one reason why scientists and engineers are trying to develop bioluminescent trees. They could light up a motorway using only oxygen and other freely available clean resources to run.